So thank you for joining us for our second interview here in Busan. I've got the pleasure of being joined by Mr. Park, and I'd like to begin the interview by asking you, could you explain a bit about your career and introduce yourself and your time at the Doosan facility?
During the Doosan, the company lifetime, I first worked for the project management area. The project name, the first project name was Hanbit 3 and 4. From the initial stage until finishing, completing the whole construction, I worked the Hanbit 3 and 4 project. Start time, I just start the engineer. Finishing time, at the time I was the project manager. After that, I moved to the another project that is so international project named Kido project. The 2D DPR kill, but the peaceful use of Korean Peninsula. But the 2003 year, that project is suspended due to the high energy running issue from the DPR kill. After that, I involved the developing some critical nuclear components such as the reactor coolant bomb for APR 1400. I involved the development and finally commercialized the APR 1400 and firstly introduced to the project name to this Shimano 1 and 2 project. And that also to the Seoul 1 and Seoul 3 and 4 and Shinhanul 3 and 4 project also being applied to that. Also, the Korean entity developed the nuclear grade, the INC, that we are just named MNIS, Man Machine Interface System. That is my career on the Doosan.
Wow. Well, with a wealth of experience like this, I can see why you have sat at the senior industry advisory panel. So that kind of answered my second question. And from an industry standpoint, why is GIF an important platform for collaboration?
The platform standpoint, the GIF has from the government organization, consider the people, government organization. That is powerful, the organization. Not the organization comes from the RFD, nationalized R&D organization, also involved in that GIF area. It means very strong and technological oriented the organization consists. Eventually, GIF has the strong power control the generation for reactor system EU. Therefore, I just try to mention is GIF has all power and resources. That's the in different ways. GIF has platform already.
Yeah, no, I agree. And there's lots of member countries and lots of innovation, right, to be shared. And that's very important in advancing Gen 4 reactors. And I want to move on to a question about Korea's civil nuclear programs. And has GIF had a part to play in Korea's civil nuclear program? If not, why? And if so, how so?
In Korea, nuclear program should be pursued regardless of a political mission, because without the nuclear energy and some the renewable energy, we should import from outside. At this time, geopolitical issue is rising very high, then the risk is very increasing. It means energy security issue is very big. We already observed in Europe area, due to the war between the Ukrainian and Russian, European people already experienced the energy problem. We prevent that kind of the energy crisis. We already experienced the oil crisis at the 1970 times. Therefore, we should emphasize energy security. Next, we develop very powerful nuclear supply chain. To maintaining that is very important. Not only using in the domestic area, export the nuclear things abroad. That's it, what I'm saying.
Thanks, Justin. And do you have a final message for the world?
Please believe Korea supply chain. Please serious, including GIF.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Park. I appreciate your time. What a big Thank you so much.